Welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. What we're doing this morning is we are watering the summer squash and zucchini. Alright, what we have here, I've heard people say, I don't get many fruit on my plants, and there could be a lot of reasons why. If you are watering in the morning, you need to realize that the bees are pollinating in the morning. And by the way, we grow all of our plants here, edible plants, totally natural, no pesticides. I call it all natural grow. But the bees are pollinating in the morning. They have to get the flowers pollinated before it hits about 80 degrees. By that time, it's pretty much over. The pollinations are done. So you don't want to be wetting down your plants early in the morning. So if you're a morning waterer, you might want to change that and start watering at dinner time or early evening to allow the bees to get the fruit pollinated. So I don't know if that's common knowledge out there. I don't think it is. It's a temperature thing with pollination. But hey, keep them growing, your zucchini and squash. Just a tip for the month. Don't water down your plants when the bees are working in the mornings. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Come join us at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com with Mark's Mixes. Get all your seeds and needs. We'll talk to you soon.